In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase from Gumroad. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a newcomer, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a seamless and secure transaction. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to Gumroad's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in gumroad.com. Once the site loads, you'll find a vibrant and user-friendly homepage welcoming you. Now, to access your account details or make a purchase, you'll want to log in. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next up, for those who favor a streamlined login method, Gumroad offers an option to sign in using your Google account. Once you click on login, you'll be redirected to a login page. Here you'll see the option to sign in with Google. Click on it and choose the Google account you wish to use. This secure method ensures that you don't have to remember additional passwords, making your login process swift and simple. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard. This is your home base on Gumroad, where you can manage your purchases and discover new products. To start exploring, click on the Discover tab. This will take you to a world of diverse content, from digital art and ebooks to instructional videos and tools made by creators around the globe. Now, if you already have a product in mind, you can proceed to search directly for what you're looking for. In the search bar, type in the name or category of the product. For instance, if you're interested in graphic design ebooks, simply enter graphic design ebooks and hit enter. A list of relevant products will appear. Once you see something you like, click on the product to learn more about it. Reading the product description is crucial as it gives you insights into what you're about to purchase. You can also scroll down to see reviews from other buyers for additional assurance. Feeling confident about your choice? Fantastic. The next step is to add it to your cart. Look for the Add to Cart button and click on it. This action places the product in your cart, allowing you to review it later or proceed directly to checkout if you're ready to purchase. Finally, it's time to check out. Your shopping cart will summarize the items you've selected. Verify everything is correct, then proceed to fill out your payment details. Ensure your payment information is accurate and up to date to avoid any hiccups. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Pay, and there you have it. With just a few clicks and key presses, your desired product is yours, seamlessly delivered right to your Gumroad account. Happy shopping and enjoy all that Gumroad has to offer.